My investors out there, I want to provide you with some bulletproof strategies you can implement right now to come out of the recession winning. Well, the first thing they need to do is be patient and have self-control. Now is not the time to be jumping into the latest get-rich-quick scheme. I want you also to focus on being consistent with your investment contribution and use a strategy called dollar cost averaging. With dollar cost averaging, you are buying equal amounts of stocks each month, regardless of what is happening in the market. You buy high, you buy low, and over time, your average price is extremely attractive. Use that strategy today. The absolute worst thing you can do right now is panic and sell. Because when you panic, you're making your losses real when you go and sell. Do not do that. Focus instead on implementing a dollar cost averaging strategy, and you will see the benefit.